We are live. Good morning. It's almost good afternoon. No, I think it's still good morning. And welcome to DIY Saturday. Just want to share a really quick and easy DIY this morning for some natural hair perfume. This is beautiful smelling, little love for your hair, a little bit of love for your hair. So how do we make this? You can do it in any size bottle. I've got this bottle. I'm not sure even how many ounces this bottle is. You start out, and I will leave the recipe in the description box below. You start out with a third of a cup of rose water. I got my organic rose water from Kripalu, but you can get rose water many different places. I'll put a link below on where you can grab some rose water, a third of a cup, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So I don't have that here up in my bathroom. I'm filming in my bathroom today. I've got that down in my kitchen because I made this a while ago, about halfway through it. You're going to use 5 drops of ylang-ylang. This is just a beautiful scent. I like this scent to give us a little perfume scent in the hair. 4 drops of rosemary, and rosemary is excellent for your hair. It's great for just for the health of your hair, but also for hair growth. So if you are challenged with that, rosemary is your friend. 5 drops of sandalwood, and I think you could use either Indian sandalwood or Hawaiian sandalwood, whichever you have. And this gives a really nice earthy smell to go with the more sort of florally smell of ylang-ylang and the herbal notes of rosemary. And then we've got 3 drops of lavender, another great oil for soothing and nourishing your hair. And finally, 4 drops of grapefruit oil, which is the oil of honoring your body. So it can be the oil of honoring your hair too, I suppose. So you put all of those essential oils in a bottle with your rose water and your vanilla extract. You shake it up. Make sure it's a glass spray bottle. You don't want to use your essential oils in plastic because it will eat away at the plastic. And got crazy hair. I just came from doing yoga in my backyard. So I like to use this especially after a workout in the gym. I don't wash my hair every time. It's not dry shampoo. Maybe we'll do that DIY in another day. But it does just freshen it up. You shake it and spray it on your hair as needed, and you're good to go. And I always carried it in my gym bag. Haven't been to the actual gym in a long time, just doing the workouts at home. But it's great after a workout or anytime you want to have some beautiful, fresh smelling hair. But every time I did use it in the gym, I would often get compliments. People would say, "What are you putting in your hair? And it smells so good." So spritz and go. Thanks for watching, and have a beautiful and radiant weekend.